What is up with you guys? Jayden here again and welcome to another video. So for today's video guys, yes, card content again, no? Medyo nag-e-enjoy ako sa paggawa ng mga content about cards, whether it's an digital bank, whether it's a prepaid card, or whether it's a kagaya ng GCash, no, mga digital wallet, no. So for today's video guys, hindi GoTime, hindi Maya, hindi GCash, hindi rin Atome ang pag-uusapan natin. Yes, we're gonna talk about another digital bank that I discovered recently, no. Aside from Uno Bank na na-share ko na dito sa YouTube channel ko, it's one of my new favorites, no. At yan yung ginagamit ko talaga as my main account. I discovered another digital bank which is Own Bank. Yes, that's actually the digital bank that I will be talking in this video. Yeah, if you're interested to hear my thoughts about Own Bank, yeah, you know what to do guys. Please keep on watching.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're here for quite some time now, welcome back. In my YouTube channel, I'm doing reviews, reaction, and also vlogs. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, guys, you know what to do. Please click that subscribe button there. Super close na tayo, guys, in reaching 20,000 subscribers. Tulungan nyo naman ako, guys, please, na mag-celebrate na very soon ng 20,000 subscribers natin dito sa YouTube. So super close na tayo. So sige guys, I actually did a lot of review naman about all these cards, no. GoTime, GCash, Maya, Atome. I recently did a review about this card. It's actually a prepaid card. You might want to check that out, no. And yun nga, yung dalawang bago kong bank na ginagamit ay Uno Bank, yeah, Uno Digital Bank, no. I did a separate review for that, but for this video we're gonna talk about Own Bank. Yes guys, sadly wala pa silang physical card. I recently got the information na si Own Bank meron na siya, kaya lang hindi pa yata nare-release. Pero dun sa mismong app parang wala pang application for the physical card, yeah, pero very soon meron na yan. Maganda rin kasi talaga na may physical card, ako personally, no, as a depositor, para kasing alam mo yun, anytime may ATM, pwede ka mag-withdraw. Although madali naman na ngayon yung mga online transfer, bank transfer, pero minsan kailangan mo pa rin kasi talaga, hindi maiwasan. Especially we're living in the Philippines, no, third world country, hindi pa naman tayo talaga, alam mo yun, lahat ng transaction online, no. Meron pa rin talagang di maiwasan na kailangan mo ng pera. Diba? Yung physical money talaga, or yung mismong pera talaga. So, yun lang, hopefully Own Bank will talagang papabilisin nila kasi medyo marami naman na yung depositors nila ngayon, lalo sa tulong ng mga social media kasi maraming mga magagandang review din about Own Bank. So, I really hope meron na silang physical card very soon. So, sige, si Own Bank guys, wala pa nga siyang physical card, but I will be showing you yung pinaka-app niya. Bakit ako gumamit, no, ng Own Bank, or why I decided to open an account with Own Bank. Una nga, nagulat ako kasi marami akong mga napapanood na review. Medyo maganda yung review dito, or hindi medyo, actually maganda talaga yung review about Own Bank. Apparently, nag-start ata to sa Cavite. Parang local bank ata to sa Cavite. Eventually, buti na lang, ito kasi talaga yung medyo alam mo yun, panatag ng loob ko. Kaya minsan talagang nagde-decide ako mag-open ng account sa isang digital bank kapag regulated by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas una, tsaka yung what's that, PCIC ba yun, or DCIC, something ganyan, yung insurance na up to 500,000 pesos insured. So syempre kapag ganon, medyo panatag din talaga kasi pag naglagay ka ng pera mo, hard-earned money mo yon. So medyo kampante ka na kahit papano. Okay, regulated to ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, and then the PCIC nga, or DCIC, sorry guys, I forgot the exact ano niya, but it's actually an insurance, no. So that alone speaks volume, no, in terms of kung gaano mo siya pwedeng pagkatiwalaan, no, as a digital bank. So I recently opened, super recent lang guys. Paano ka mag-open guys? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, sobrang swerte ng generation na to, no? Sobrang swerte talaga kasi all you have to do, of course, is to have a valid ID. Tapos syempre, i-verify naman yung mukha mo. Yun lang naman yung kailangan. Most likely, for you to be able to open an account with Own Bank, you just have to download the app, and then, alam mo na yun, i-fill up mo yung mga kailangan information, upload your valid ID, and then boom, you have a savings account with Own Bank, no? Ganun na siya kadali. no? Kumpara mo sa nung panahon ko, hindi pa naman ako sobrang tanda, no? But naranasan ko kasi talaga yung pumila sa bangko ng medyo matagal-tagal talaga na oras din para lang magkaroon ka ng, alam mo yun, savings account talaga, di ba? Whether it's a passbook or yung ATM, it takes time, literal, no? Kaya swerte yung generation talaga ngayon kasi mas madali na yung buhay, no? So naengganyo rin ako kay Own Bank kasi nga actually yung pinakamaganda sa kanya yung interest niya. Medyo malaki rin talaga yung interest niya. If I'm not mistaken, 6 to 8%. Tapos ang maganda kasi kay Own Bank, parang monthly or everyday, if I'm not mistaken, makikita mo yung interest na pumapasok sa pinaka-savings mo. Ganyan din sa GoTime if I'm not mistaken. Parang daily mo rin makikita naman yung interest mo. Mas maganda kasi yun dahil mas mamomonitor mo talaga. Mahirap din kasi yung monthly, diba? Para sa akin ha. So maganda yun na daily basis, no, yung interest na makikita mo sa mismong app, no. Ang napansin ko lang personally, ako ha, medyo techie na ako nito ha. But when I open an account with Own Bank, tapos yung app nga nila, no, nina-navigate ko yung app nila, the app isn't as friendly as compared to other digital banks. Considering na medyo bata-bata ako guys, no? Hindi naman ako sobrang naligaw, pero munti ka na. Ang daming details na yung iba, I don't think it's needed not to be there, especially dun sa pinaka-unang makikita mo sa app. Parang sa daming details, nakakaligaw na siya. Sa dami mong pwedeng puntahan, nakakaligaw na siya. So, I think it's a con, no? Parang it's a negative for me, hindi siya ganun kaganda. Considering nga na syempre sa panahon ngayon hindi mo naman masabi na mga Gen Z lang yung mga depositors mo, so you try to be as much as possible yung user friendly talaga yung app na gagamitin mo or yung app na meron ka, no, as a digital bank. I hope Own Bank will improve yung etong app nila kasi hindi ko alam kung ako lang guys ha, pero sabi ko nga sa inyo, ako na to ha. I mean, ang dami kong digital banks, no? Techie rin ako. Pero medyo naliligaw ako ng kaunti sa Own Bank. Pero syempre, as you go along, as you navigate, makikita mo na rin naman yung mga information and all that. And ako, kahit papano, alam ko naman So, in my case, maliligaw lang ako ng konti. Tapos alam ko naman na. Parang ganon. Pero sa dami kasing details, it's not really helping, no? Especially to those, medyo bago pa talaga sa pag-open ng digital bank. So, yun lang naman yung personal observation ko. In terms of app, hindi siya ganun kaganda. Ngayon, in terms of interest, totoo siya kasi naglagay rin ako ng hindi pa naman ganun kalaki kasi tinetest ko pa siya. Kumbaga, testing the water pa ako. Pero nakita ko nga yung interest niya, daily rin talaga nag-reflect. So, yun, maganda siya. Tapos, if you need to transfer naman, no, from your GCash, madali na lang siya, no? Or kung saan man galing yung pera mo, madali na lang kasi meron namang option na Own Bank rin doon. So, yun lang naman yung mga initial thoughts ko about Own Bank. Dahil bago nga lang akong depositor, hindi ko pa naman siya super marirecommend, no? I will try to observe it. Maglalagay ako ng pera, tapos i-observe ko rin yung interest niya if it's really working okay. So, siguro by that time, pwede ko na siyang ma-recommend, no? Siguro I will get back to you guys after a month of using Own Bank and also yung Atome nga kasi I did a content about Atome no nakaraan, baka unang ma-upload yun bago tong Own Bank. So siguro gagamitin ko pa sila for quite some time, a month or two, and then yeah, I will get back to you. I'll share my thoughts, no, about Own Bank. But for now guys, you might want to check out other content creators na meron dito sa YouTube kasi yun, medyo sa kanila rin ako naengganyo. Kaya nagsubok ako na magbukas ng account ko sa Own Bank. Yes guys, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope I'll see you again on the next one. Bye-bye for now. Bye guys.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy.